Using your Wise card for public transport in European cities is incredibly convenient. Many cities now support contactless payments directly on validators. Simply tap your Wise card, and the fare will be deducted in the local currency, ensuring you always get the mid-market rate. When shopping at local markets or supermarkets, pay attention to the prices. Your Wise card works just like a local debit card. Always choose to be charged in the local currency at checkout to leverage Wise's excellent conversion rates. This avoids dynamic currency conversion offered by merchants, which often comes with less favorable rates. After every purchase, check your Wise app. You'll see instant notifications and a clear breakdown of how much you spent in the local currency and its equivalent in your primary currency. This transparency helps you keep track of your budget in real time. For attractions and entertainment, the Wise card offers a hassle-free payment experience. Whether it's a museum entry fee, a concert ticket, or a tour, pay with your Wise card in the local currency for the best rates, allowing you to enjoy your European experience without worrying about high conversion fees. With the Wise card, navigating Europe becomes simpler, more affordable, and more transparent. It's designed to give you peace of mind, freeing you to immerse yourself fully in the rich culture and vibrant life of the continent.